Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best in home and kitchen products. Today, we have something that's truly a game changer for anyone who loves baking or decorating cakes: the best Cake Dowel Rods set. Whether you're a professional baker or just starting out, these plastic dowel rods are your secret weapon to making tiered cakes stand tall and stay stable. The Thinp Cake Dowel Rods set includes 18 pieces in total, 15 dowels and 3 high-quality cake boards. The dowels come in 2 sizes: 3 thickened rods for extra strength, and 12 regular ones for regular tiered cake construction. These dowels provide the stability needed to support multi-layer cakes, preventing any risk of the cake collapsing or tipping over. Each dowel measures about 9.45 inches in length and is 0.4 inches in diameter, making them perfectly suited for standard tiered cakes. But here's the best part: you can easily cut the dowels to the exact size you need. Whether you're making a small cake or a towering masterpiece, these dowels are versatile enough to handle it all. The dowels are designed with a hollow structure, making them incredibly easy to insert into the cake layers. Simply insert them through the cake boards, trim them to the right length, and stack your next layer on top. It's that simple. No more worrying about your cake layers sinking or toppling over during the process. Along with the dowels, you get 3 cake boards in sizes 6, 8, and 10 inches. These boards provide a sturdy base for your cakes and help evenly distribute the weight of each layer. The high-quality food-grade plastic used for both the dowels and boards ensures they're durable and safe for your cakes. After you're done, simply wash them and they're ready for reuse. This Cake Dowel Rod set is perfect for weddings, birthdays, or any event that calls for a stunning multi-tiered cake. It's ideal for both novice bakers and seasoned professionals. And the best part? It makes your cake not only more stable but also more beautiful, giving it that polished, professional look. So, if you're looking for a reliable, easy-to-use solution to make your tiered cakes stand tall, the Thinp Cake Dowel Rods set is the perfect choice. With its durable construction, easy application, and reusable design, it's an essential tool for every baker. That's it for today's review. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more great product critiques here at Product Critique. Happy baking!